guys, it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay. Well, this has been some super crazy weeks for us. We finally finished our Olgierds von Everywhere cosplay and we made this super shiny dagger. Yep, here it is. It's so pretty and it's so shiny and yeah. Today I'm going to show you a super nice technique that is called cold casting. And with cold casting you can make shiny things like this and make them look like real metal. Yeah, this is basically what I will show you today, how to get from a plastic looking surface to a super shiny one. So let's start. As reference we used the official Witcher 3 cosplay guide. And here we have the dagger. Raw 3D modeled this beauty. We couldn't find any pictures of the blade, but we thought a curved blade would fit the best. We printed the handle and the blade with our Zortrex M200. I sanded everything super smooth and glued both parts together with self-made ABS glue. Next, I made a 2-part silicone mold. If you want to learn more about that, check out my mold making video. For cold casting you need metal powder. For the gold parts I use brass powder and for the blade aluminium powder. Don't forget to wear gloves and a respirator. You don't want to have metal in your lungs. I carefully applied the powder with a brush. Afterwards spread everything and tap off the excess powder. Carefully clean the parts which need to be covered with the brass powder with water. And apply the brass powder. Close the mold and secure it with elastic bands. Next, mix up your resin. Here I'm using smooth cast Onyx because it is already black. When pouring in the resin you need to be super careful because it can happen that you displace the powder. When the resin is fully cured you can open the mold and remove the casting. It is normal to have some flashing, but you can easily remove it. Right now the dagger just looks like tinted plastic. To make it nice and shiny, you now have to polish it with very fine steel wool. But don't overdo it. There is just a very thin layer of metal in your casting and it can happen that you polish through this metallic layer down to the black plastic. For more shine, you can also polish it with a polishing paste. But, as I said before, don't overdo it. This happens very fast. Man, this is so shiny! Then I just painted and weathered the handle and the blade and only sealed the painting on the handle, which had to look like leather with a matte spray varnish. I added a tiny red stone which I casted with crystal clear from Smooth On, and then the dagger was done. So pretty! Cold casting is such a cool technique and I really think I will use this more often in the future. And as you can see, it's not that difficult. Well, I hope this was helpful, and if you want to learn more about mold making and all this stuff, don't forget to check out our book. This is our mold making book and there you can learn a lot about, yeah, mold making. More videos about our Olgierds cosplay are coming soon, and if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then see you next time. Bye bye!